Hello, my name is Zachary Updike, and this is my infographic on optometry. The 6 things you should know about optometrists. Skills and knowledge. Optometrists are doctors of the eye. They study, examine, diagnose, and prevent diseases and infections that may pop up for patients. They do prevent or try and find a cure for newer diseases or infections that pop up. They'll consult with other optometry offices and try and better the patient's outcome. They must have an optometry license to practice, and as I previously stated, they examine, diagnose, treat, and manage diseases and disorders of the eye. Their education background: they must have a doctoral or professional degree. They must go to a 4-year accredited optometry school, and they must be awarded Doctor of Optometry degree after completing their optometry school. Their location: you may see them in standalone buildings along the side of the road as you're driving up and down. Those are the more practical ones, the ones that you would most likely like to visit more than the hospitals. Hospitals do have departments for optometry depending on the size. Bigger ones will have optometry departments. Smaller ones may not because of space. If you do not have an optometry office around you, you may go to a hospital, though they may not have an optometry department. They will try to do their best and give you an eye checkup to make sure everything's right. But they are not licensed optometrists. Continuing education. They must complete 20 hours of continued education every year. They can go over the 20 hours every year, which means they would only have to take 10 the following year, or they could take 20 again and keep going at that rate. Their job outlook: about 1,700 openings a year, so space is not limited. If you apply to an optometrist office, you will most likely have the job. So like I said, they're projected to grow about 10% from 2021 to 2031. So space is not limited for people graduating. So if you are trying to become an optometrist after college, I would not stress about having a job. Their salary, it varies by state. It goes anywhere from $90,000 to $150,000 yearly. The highest right now is New York with $149,000 yearly, and the lowest currently is North Carolina with $91,000 yearly. The bigger the state, the more population they have, may cause for more optometry offices compared to rural places. They might only have a few around and not very high demand for them. So salaries can range depending on what state you are in.